Hey guys, I'm back playing the new birds update in Morph World. If you couldn't tell, I got the YouTuber badge. And because of this, I'm hoping to post more often or maybe even post each update. So with that said, let's get into it. So it seems there's been a new pets update, adding cool rainbow birds, and I really want to get them. So how about we help poor Red Mum get them back? Let's see here. Explore and find birds. I do already have a few cute animals such as a cute worm, a frog, a turtle, and a cactus. Oh, whatever, I'm getting ahead of myself here. Let's search some nests. That's not a bird, but I still want it. Oh, that's a good kitty. Just look at the cute little dancey dance blue cat does. That's adorable. I must admit, the Morph World team has definitely put a lot of effort into the animations for these last few updates, and it shows. I wonder what other cute animals I can rescue. Aha! Let's see if I can catch you, little buddy. Yay! I got him. I wonder what emote he can do. Ooh, another dance. If I'm being honest, this kitty isn't the most cute animal I've seen here. But there is more to come. I wonder what his second ability is. Gotcha. Whoa, a pounce of some sorts. I do like that. Also makes it way easier to catch the other animals. Let's get his final move. Whoops. Oh, that's like a little hiss. This seems like a green kitty. Ah, a little bouncy. Gee, these kittens are hitting grooves better than I ever could. Wow, already? How cute, he stands up on two legs. Holy moly, this is going fast. Though it is exciting seeing all these emotes, so I won't complain. Did he just fall asleep? How adorable. These pets have got to be the cutest addition to this game by far. Time to do a funky little montage. We're in a dangerous place now. A small creature of the likes of me shouldn't be here. I'd better watch out. And that, my friends, is the entire Morph World Pets update so far. Honestly, I really liked it, and I hope to see more of this in the future. But with that said, have a great day, my fellow Ridgelings. Ridged Papyrus out.